Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today is the day for my Trash to Treasure challenge that I posted about 2 weeks ago, where I asked everyone to pick up a piece either from a garage sale, from your mother's garage, secondhand store, and upcycle it so it goes with your current decor, or that you can use in your current decor. For this month, for this season, I have asked Lisa from Lisa & Company to co-host with me. So I will have Lisa's channel as well as the playlist linked down below, so make sure you go check out everyone's videos, because there should be tons of inspirations for you there. So the piece that I had picked up is this, what in my mind is a cutting board with these little clips, which I thought was perfect for what I have in mind. And it was $6 at our local thrift store. So I will be using, obviously, the cutting board, and I will be painting it first with some charcoal Rust-Oleum chalk paint, and then dry brushing it with any Sloan Original. And then I will also be using these to create some letters. So the first thing that, and I'm also going to use some rope. So the first thing that I'm going to do is remove these so I can have a open surface without any obstructions to paint. So I'm hoping that this is fairly easy to remove, because it looks like it just has one screw. So yeah, it should be fairly easy. So I'm just gonna put that off to the side so I don't lose it. When I'm painting it with my charcoal paint, I'm not going to go all over the place, just a few kind of spots. So that's as far as I will go with my charcoal paint. And now I'm going to let this dry and work on my letters. So I'm going to freehand my letters, but you can totally use a stencil for this as well. And I have gotten these at our Dollarama. And now I'm going to cut it. I'm gonna try a couple different tools. I'm gonna try these garden shears, see how they work. Try my knife here. That actually worked really well. all cut up, and I'm going to give them a coat of paint, and I'm going to paint them with my charcoal. So that's done, and now I'm just going to do one more thing while the paint is somewhat wet on here. I should have not painted up here, but I'm gonna wrap some of this around. So I'm going to start at the bottom. I'm going to use my hot glue gun for that. And I'm going as tight as I can. You could do it all the way. I'm stopping it here because I just want this hole to be open for me to be able to hang it up. So now I'm gonna let this completely dry before I put a coat of white paint on it. So the paint has dried nicely. Now I'm going to take my Annie Sloan white and I'm going to dry brush some of this over top, but I want the black to show through as much as possible. So I'm gonna take some paint and I'm gonna take as much off as possible, and I'm just going to go gently over it. Now I'm going to let this dry and I'm going to give it a light sanding. So this one is dry now, so I'm going to gently sand it. There we go. I really like the look of this, and now I'm going to put these guys back in. And now I'm going to put my letters. There we go. I think that's gonna be a great addition to my kitchen decor, and I will show you what it looks like once I put it up on the wall. So here it is, how it looks hung up in my kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you considered subscribing. And I would like to thank Lisa for co-hosting this challenge with me. And make sure you check her channel out as well as the playlist, which will be all linked down below in my description box. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.